Neptune Tuner, like, comment, and subscribe. I've got this whole front end evacuated. And this is the update on my Q5 that threw the belt as I was driving it. I'll pin that video in the comments. This accessory belt left me stranded. It locked up because this tensioner, the pulley on it, is about completely seized. All the other pulleys feel all right. The alternator still spins perfectly fine. Power steering pump was working just perfect. The idler, we're gonna replace these in a pair, but as well as the AC was still working just fine, and it spins great. But when this belt went, you see there's still a few little shreds of it right here. It ripped my wiring harness to shreds. It took these connectors clean off of my N75 valve here, and it pulled these wires from my oil level sensor down here, and then the other one goes to the engine mount. So now I don't even think I have a wiring harness to put on this. I've got a Q5 and I only have maybe one or two good A4 harnesses. So the Q5 goes a little bit further up. It's a little bit longer of a harness since this vehicle sits a little bit higher, and I don't think it'll work. I think I'm gonna have to chop off at least these two sensors, if not more. These wires might be damaged and stretched below here. So the other thing was I had a vacuum leak and an oil leak. Of course, it broke this nipple right off this N75 valve, so now I've got to replace this whole valve as well as the wiring. And also, the belt cut into my oil dipstick funnel, my dipstick tube there. So I got to replace that. That's where the oil leak came from. So that's the update, and I got some more videos to follow. I've got a complete belt kit that we're going to install, and then I'm going to put together the rest of this, taking apart this core support video. So I might put that in the pinned comments as well. But before you hit that subscribe button, we're going to go ahead and take this tensioner off and take a better look at it. That bolt is a little bit rusty, so we're going to have to give that fastener a few love taps to get that socket seated. And then you just unbolt it. Now we can see just how locked up this pulley was. Wow, that thing overheated pretty good. You see that melted plastic?